Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can enable Flipside profile on Instagram. Alright, to get the Flipside profile, we have to update our Instagram application. We can go to our Play Store or Apple Store, and after that, we just need to search for the Instagram application. And here we have to click on this update option to update our Instagram application. And after that, you can go back to your Instagram and check the Flipside profile. But if the Flipside profile hasn't appeared on your Instagram, I'm going to show you another way to enable the Flipside profile. You can go to your settings application and you have to open the app setting. Click on this app setting, and here you have to select Instagram application. This is my Instagram application, and I'm going to click on it. And here we can click on the storage option. And if we want to get the Flipside profile, we have to clear the cache and also the app data. We can click on clear cache and clear data. If you clear your data, you have to log in again to your Instagram and just click on delete. Okay, and I guess that's how we can enable the Flipside profile on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will work on your phone. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.